Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to enable dark mode on Bybit application using your mobile device. Dark mode not only looks sleek but also reduces eye strain during long trading sessions. So first of all, open the Bybit mobile application on your mobile device and log into your account. To turn on the dark mode, click on your profile avatar at the top left corner of the screen. From your profile screen, tap on the gear button at the top right. This will open up User Center. You will see a little half moon kind of an icon at the top right. Tap on it, and this will change your theme to a darker display. You can tap on the same button if you ever want to switch back to light mode. And there you have it. With just a click of a button, you have successfully enabled dark mode on your Bybit application, making your trading experience easier on the eyes. If this video helped you, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more professional and crypto-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.